Why I wanted to save this tree is when I found out that actually it's so important to the city of Brighton and Hove, that they are the largest English elm in the world, and they're the biggest English elm in the world, marked as the two twins. I got asked to come and look at this tree, which was destined to be burned in 2020 and was cut down in 2019 and was taken to a place called Waterhole, which is just outside Brighton, where in fact they take all the diseased trees, and the reason they take them there because it's in a valley, so the beetle cannot fly out. So it's just a precaution basically to keep everything else safe. So when I came to look at this thing, which was just lying in a lying position, I just fell in love with it, and it was just so beautiful. So I didn't obviously have the funding, I didn't have the space to move it, I didn't have the equipment to move it because it's 3.5 ton weight. So I've asked if they would allow me to debark the tree at Waterhole, where the bark can then be burned, and that would give me a bit of time to see if I can find the ways of funding the project and taking it from there. I asked a place called Secret Garden if they would allow me to move the tree to the garden, and then Conic Tree Care stepped in with help with transportation and paying for the cost for the tree to be moved. We couldn't just lift it because it would just break. So we had to design an internal basing structure with lots of timber. We've got 2 people to come and help to do the basing of the tree and successfully move it to Secret Garden. So that's when the project in theory started.